Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Tiwari pursuing BA LLB course from Parul University as an intern in ubAdvocate. Today I'll be talking about on the topic misuse of 498A IPC 1860. Why this section is so much in news? As the Supreme Court in a recent judgment highlighted the growing misuse of Section 498A IPC with frictious rising in marriages. The incorporation of Section 498A was aimed at preventing cruelty committed upon a woman by her husband and her in-laws by facilitating rapid state intervention. The court held that there is an increased tendency to employ provisions such as Section 498A IPC as instruments to settle personal scores against the husband and his relatives. What exactly Section 498A IPC talks about? Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code 1860 was passed by the Indian Parliament in 1983. The section of 498A of the Indian Penal Code is a criminal law. It is defined that if the husband or the relative of the husband of a woman subjected such woman toward cruelty would be punished with imprisonment for a term which might extend to 3 years and may also be liable for fine. Section 498A of Indian Penal Code is one of the greatest rescue for violence against women, which is a reflection of the pathetic reality of the domestic violence occurring within the four walls of a house. Now let's talk about how Section 498A is misused. First, again, husband and relatives. With the rise in the rate of education, financial security and modernization, the more independent and the radical feminists have made Section 498A of the IPC as a weapon in their hands than a shield. Due to this, many helpless husbands and their relatives have become the victim of the vengeful daughter-in-law of their house. Second, blackmail attempts. These days, in many cases where Section 498A is invoked, turn out to be the false cases as they turn out to be mere blackmail attempt by the wife when troubled with a stressed marriage. Due to this, in most cases, the Section 498A complaint is generally followed by the demand of a huge amount of money to settle the case towards or outside the court. Third, degradation of marriage. The court held specifically that there is a misuse and exploitation of the provision in such an extent that it was hitting on the basis that is the foundation of marriage itself. This is ultimately proved to be not a good sign for the health of a society for the public at large. Women have begun misusing Section 498A of IPC as this law is a tool for the vengeance or to the get out of the wedlock. At last, I would like to conclude my video by saying that the laws are made for the safeguard the life and the right of the individual and provide them with the justice. But there are few people who misuses the law and innocent get punishment. So please do not misuse the law, because there are many people who are actually in pain, and because of you the actual people are also seen in the same category and get delay in the justice. Thank you.